What do you guys see? What are we looking at right now, Mom?
River. I don't know what river this is. We're at Cumberland Falls.
Cumberland Falls.
Trying to walk along, but
what do you think?
Stopped the train.
See? Like it's not on me right now. I'm watching the fall. See that? Stop. What's up? What's up, buddy? We're going for a walk? You want me to hold you? Where's the water? We're getting closer to the falls? You see the water? Let's go check it out, man. Come on. Come on, let's go see the rain. Come on. I can't hear you from there. Hold on. Hey, is there anything living in there? Sure. Ah! Dead tree. Awesome. Yeah, the lower falls.
What?
There you go.
We don't climb up there.
What do you hear?
Water in there.
Where?
There's a
Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There you go. This little cave right by the stairs we're taking to go to the lower falls. You think there's a bear back here at all?
Oh, we're not on a bear hunt. You ready, cutie pie? Judah.
Oh,
We got wet. Judah,
you got wet! Where's the shower from?
Look up.
Ooh, there's some water right
Oh, it's
there.
right there. It's over
Oh
here.
my goodness.
Come on, Rose.
Oh my goodness. Watch out for the water. You're gonna get rained on. Did you get hit in the head? Ow, me too. Some more water. Ow, that one almost got the camera. You got two? Oh my goodness. It's about to hang out on a hot day. Wow! Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, honey, wait up, baby. Hey, wait. You say hi?
Hi.
Is this the other side of the waterfall that we saw?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Alright, here comes the fence. Remember what we said about railings?
Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Tumble. No, that's a root. Look at that root.
Whoa.
It went right over the tree. That's not a walking stick. Here, come on the other side of me. I'll hold your hand, baby. Other side of me, right? We're not going to use the railing. Look at the ground below the railing. It's like gone. Whoa, say. Look at your crazy mama. We're going to go up there. Here we go. Okay, hold on, honey.
So here we are hiking. I have Sophia. We're climbing up there. Look at this waterfall. Oh my goodness. We're like right by the edge. Here comes Daddy. Yeah, Annika! Oh, you should have gone on the rocks. You went right through the mud. Okay, hold Daddy's hand tight, okay?
Hey, Annie!
Ready?
Hey, Dad! Dad!
Hold on, he's focused. All right, let's climb up. You're good. Stay away from the edge. We're good. Huh? You got something to tell him? Good hiking. Oh, hold me up. Good job. Oh, man. Oh, that's beautiful. Big step. Oh, gosh. Make it up. All right, let's see if we can make it up. Woo! Oh, now we're going to turn and go up this way, away from the waterfall. Thinking we go up. Okay, we can wait here. Okay, back up a little. Okay, we got a bit of a problem here.
I can go under.
You crawl under. Tell me if I can go under with Judah. I could probably go around. You gotta tell me if I'm gonna hit his head. Are you on video? Alright, we're good. We made it. Good job, Ani. Daddy's turn. Ani, come right here. Up here. Watch where you're walking. Good job, Dad. We made it.
My water.
Alright. That's where we're headed.
Where are they?
They're coming. Stay right there. Yep, here's the edge. Woo! Say woo!
Drop your phone.
I'm not gonna drop my phone. Good job, Ani. Good job, Daddy.
Dad, drop your phone.
That's a ways
Drop your
down
phone
there.
down in the water.
All right, should we keep going?
Yeah.
This is
Let's go so we're safer.
so pretty.
Can I?
I'm taking a video. I'm not taking. Watch what Mom's gotta do. Look what Mom's doing.
Remember how we did this in San Diego? You step on that rock. You don't come to this one until I move off of it. Okay, hold my hand. Okay, step to this one. Good, hold my hand. Oh, this one's wobbly. See that? You gotta move careful. Okay, ready? Come to the wobbly one. I got you. Okay, ready? Now come to this one. Big step. Good.
Here we go, ready?
Come on up.
Sneak on down here, kiddo.
Wait, right up
Hey,
by
Dad,
those
you
rocks
go
right there.
first.
No, I think you're gonna go next. I think Mommy's gonna get you.
Come on over.
Dad's gonna go by himself,
Stop
so
right
if he
there,
falls, no one else goes with him.
Come on. Give me your hand. Remember, you step onto this rock. Okay, stop. Climb up right Sophia. Yep, go climb up. Got it, Dad? You want me to hold your hand? You want to put that way?
All right, this has gotta go bye-bye.
All right, guys. I think we're close. The last time we saw us said, you good, honey? Said we were 0.3 miles away. I'm trying to watch my feet here too, because there's a cliff right next to me. But I think, honey, do you think we're getting close?
Yeah.
I think so. Good job, Dad and Sophia.
Yeah,
It's been pretty awesome. Ooh, whoa! Did you almost fall? Mwah, Mommy got you. That's why you're not on the cliff side. But, oh, my neck thing's too tight around my neck. I gotta move it. Yeah, let's not walk on a slanted rock there, Goofball. That's why you fall. But it's been a muddy, muddy trail.
Buddy.
So I hope this waterfall's worth it
Muddy.
that we're searching for. Yeah, see this? Go on. Slowly, slowly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so not prepared for this. Just keep walking through it. Big slow steps so we don't splash too much. I shouldn't have. I didn't know this trail would be so muddy. Don't lose your leg. Let's see if he does. Not too bad. A little bit. How you doing? Oh, you getting wet? He wants to walk so bad, but I don't really want him to walk because there's a cliff right here. The cool thing is, it's been such a cool trail that the kids have done really well. Oh yeah, walk that way. Oh, that's muck. Ugh. The kids have done really well walking through it all, so that's pretty awesome. And they have walked the entire thing, and we're almost done. And it's like a 2-mile trail, which is going to be the longest trail we've probably ever taken them on. So, we should be there soon. It's a super beautiful hike, but we couldn't even get to our destination. Just look at the river. That right there is our hiking path. So somewhere over there are Eagle Falls that we really wanted to see, and now we're not going to be able to see them. So that's a bit unfortunate after walking all this way. It was a beautiful hike, but when you have a destination in mind, it's kind of unfortunate when you can't even see it. But I'm working my way up all these steps because I walked down them so we didn't have to bring the kids down to go tell them the bad news.